Before we get into the details, let me show you 60,000 reasons why I love this exhibition. How magical is that transition from day to night? Ranking 6th on the New York Times list of 52 places to go in 2020. Field of Light at Sensorio is an immersive art installation constructed by internationally acclaimed artist Bruce Munro, located in Paso, Robles, California. This 15-acre walkthrough experience features 60,000 STEM spheres lit by solar-powered fiber optics. These unique lights gently illuminate the rolling hills in subtle blooms of morphing color. This otherworldly exhibition has attracted over 200,000 visitors since it opened in 2019. Let's spend the rest of our time together enjoying this beautiful place. Click the link in the description to plan your visit to this spectacular place. Thank you for watching. Please consider liking and subscribing in order to keep up with my adventures. See you next time.